Hey coaches, Becky here. Quick video for you to walk you through how to utilize our new team recognition templates. Okay, so as you know, we selected a logo for our team this past year, and I have put those logos into some basic templates that you can use to create a recognition picture or a recognition collage to give a shout out to either your new coaches or any coach that rank advances. So I just wanted to walk you through how I would go about utilizing these to quickly and efficiently create professional looking recognition photos that you can use in our team pages, either here on Team Core Conviction, Aspire to Inspire, Dare to Dream, or even to give your coach a shout out on their public Facebook page as well. Okay, so first thing you would do is log into Facebook and come to our team page, Team Core Conviction. You would then click on Photos and then immediately on Albums. Okay, you're going to see a couple albums in here. The one you want to look for is Team Recognition Templates. Okay, so there's one for every rank in here from welcoming your new coach all the way up through 15-star diamond. So you just want to scroll down until you find it. In this case, I'm going to give you an example of using an Emerald Coach shout out. Okay, so this is what the template looks like. You have our logo in the middle. Congrats, new Emerald. So what I would do is I would right click on this image and I would save the image as Emerald Recognition. Just save it as whatever you want. All right, and then you're going to go to pickmonkey.com. Okay, this is a great website that's free that you can use to create these images if you're working from your laptop. If you're working from your phone, I will show you how to do this on your phone as well. All right, so you come to this website, you go to Collage, click on Collage, and you pick the image that you just downloaded. Okay, Emerald Recognition, and then Open. Okay, and what I like to do is I like to put the recognition photo on the right. So the first thing I would do is click out of this X up here at the top so that I only have one cell on this side. And then you just click on the new picture and you drag it over to where you want it to go. All right, so there's that. You can, center it around if you want. Okay, next thing you want to do is get a picture of your new coach or your coach that's being recognized. So I would typically, I've already done this, but what I would typically do is I would go in here and I would type in their name. I'm going to make one for Danny since she is advancing to Emerald. And typically what I would do is, you click on their profile images and pick one from their profile or from the photos that they've uploaded, here. Typically anything that they've tagged themselves in, they're usually okay with you using. Or, if you can't find one that fits, pick from their photo selection. Okay, I've already downloaded one, so I'm going to click on Open Photos, open from my computer, and then I'm going to pick this one. All right, this is a really cute one of her in her wedding dress at her Halloween wedding, which was very cool. Okay, so you drag it just like you did the other one, you drag it in here, and then you can actually edit the photo if it's not quite fitting your frame correctly. So in this case, I want to zoom in. So I click on Edit, and then in this case, I'm going to amp up the size so that her face is more clear in the image. All right. Keep going and recenter her here. I don't think the exposure on the image needs to change or anything like that, but you can tweak that as well. If the image is too dark, you can you can change that. You can flip the image, so if you wanted her to be that way, or upside down or rotated, etc. There's lots of other things you can do with the filters and everything, but I'm not going to do that on this video. Okay, so the image is done. So now this is basically the excuse me, the recognition photo that you have so far. I personally don't like the the white border going around the edge of the frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here to this palette, which edits the background. And I'm going to make sure that my spacing on my images is set to 0. So that means that the images will go directly to the edge of the picture. Okay? You can do all kinds of other stuff in here. Again, I'm not going to do it. Okay, so once you're happy with your collage, then what I would do is you click up here on the toolbar and then say Edit. It's going to ask you if you're sure, because apparently once you go into edit mode, you can't come back and rearrange the collage. But open in editor and wait. So the way I design these guys is that you can just, all you have to do is put your picture in and then add the person's name in text at the bottom, right down here. So the font that I used in PicMonkey is this Bodoni XT. So what you do is you click on the font you want, you click add text, you get a pop-up here, type in the person's name, usually center it so that I can arrange it correctly. And I picked a size 300 font. Oops. Click on the thing, make sure it's selected. The text is selected, then click on this and type in your font size, or just scroll down. Okay. And then you can drag the text down here. I like to make sure that it's centered because I'm a little obsessive compulsive. All right, so there's that. And I like to make sure that the font color matches the other fonts in this image. You don't have to do this, but I like to do it. So one thing you can do is you make sure to click on your text, right? And then come over here and click on this little blank spot here. It's going to open the color picker. And so you can pick any color you want, right? By rolling over the other colors, you can put it in green. I personally would put it in the same color as this main font so that it looks all balanced. Okay, so that's it, right? Then what you do when you're done is you click on Save. I always pick the highest resolution. Wait for it to adjust, and then you click Save to your computer, and then I would say Danny Everidge Emerald Recognition, and save it to wherever, my Beachbody folder. Save. And then tomorrow morning, when she officially advances to Emerald rank, then I would post this image back in our team page. I'd put it here and I would give her a shout out and a congratulations for advancing to Emerald rank. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. The two websites you're using are our team page, again, under photos, under albums, team recognition templates. Open up PicMonkey, make a collage with an image of your coach that's being recognized, and then use the add text feature to add the Bodoni size 300 font in whatever color you want down here at the bottom. Okay, so that's how you do this on a laptop. Check out the next video to see how to do this on your phone as well. Thanks, guys.